Good morning, all, once again. Any questions? We were discussing profit center standard hierarchy, right? Last session, we have created standard hierarchy. So how many levels we can create maximum? How many nodes we can create in profit center standard hierarchy?
3.
Sorry? How many nodes we can create?
We can create 3 under one.
Is it 3? I said I have created 3, but maximum how many we can create? How many nodes we can create?
9.
Right, and it should be end with
Profit center.
So here, see, this is the first node, second node, and third node. Profit center standard hierarchy, corporate group. Under that, we have a last is a profit center 9,000. So is it a complete node or incomplete node? The first structure.
Incomplete.
Incomplete.
If the profit center is there.
Is it there or not? I'm asking you.
It is there.
So is it complete or incomplete?
Complete.
Sorry?
Complete.
Complete. So if I take second node, profit center standard hierarchy, profit center group, profit center subgroup, and is it ending with profit center?
No.
How many levels are there? 1, okay, 2, and 3. So again, I'm reiterating, any profit center standard hierarchy can have maximum of 9 nodes or 9 levels. Node is nothing but levels. In SAP terminology, instead of level, we call it as a node. And each node, okay, any node should ends with last node should be ends with profit center. If it is not ending with a profit center, then it means that it's an incomplete node. See, I said maximum level. It is not compulsory that you should have 9 levels. You can have here 3 levels. See here, first level, second level, and third level. So third level, I'm ending with profit center. Clear? But maximum, how many we can have? We can have maximum of 9 levels, 9 nodes. And any node should ends with the last level should be profit center. Is this clear?
So 9 nodes means what are those, Naveen? Like here, the profit center standard
hierarchy is one group.
Yes.
Right? Corporate is subgroup. Under that, we can have, see here, you can see. First group, profit center standard hierarchy, I have created a group. Under that, we have created a company called UT01 subgroup, second node. And third node, we have created as a manufacturing plant, third group. And again, under that, if you want to create any subgroup, you can create it like that. Under manufacturing plant, here I have created Patancharu. Under Patancharu, again, you want to create any subgroup or after that, any subgroup. So you can create up to 9 subgroups you can create.
Okay.
The last subgroup, the last node should ends with profit center. Then only it is considered as a perfect structure. Clear? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes, no.
So next we will do. So we have created one profit center. Somebody share, someone is asking link of class. 1 second. Okay. So write down next step. So we have created, so we can create profit center like this. So with KCH5N also we can create structure. Under structure we can create. So here we have clicked right click and we can create same level or create subgroup. Under that we can create profit center. So instead of that, what we can do is we can have one more transaction code. I'll show you that right now. Create or profit center creation. Profit center creation. So we have already discussed the standard hierarchy. So profit center creation. And write down a note under that first. We can create profit center with separate transaction code or with profit center standard hierarchy. Profit center standard hierarchy. Write down the path. SAP menu, accounting, SAP menu, accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, master records, profit center, individual processing, create. Transaction code KE51. Transaction code KE51.
So we can create by doing the same level or the lower level. Along
See,
with
here,
this,
if you are going with the standard hierarchy, you need to go select the lower level, right?
okay, yes.
But here, direct KE51, you can directly create profit center. It automatically creates under a subgroup which you want to create a lower level.
Okay.
Okay, just see this. After this, you can ask. Transaction code is KE51. So write down the path. /NSPRO SAP reference IMG. So two ways we can create. Sorry, it's an end user activity, so we can directly go. SAP menu, accounting, financial accounting, financial accounting, okay, accounting, financial accounting, general ledger. If somebody is not written, kindly write it down. General ledger, master records, profit center, individual processing. See here, KE51.
Hello. Yeah. Hi, sir.
Sorry.
Hi, I'm Venkatesh.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, previous classes is not attended for me. See,
No, you just attend today. You will understand, please.
okay.
KE51. Okay, so controlling area, UCOA. So normally it will ask for controlling area. Your controlling area, UCOA. Controlling area, UCOA. Okay, so this is profit center creation screen. Profit center creation screen. So I would like to create. I would like to create what is our one? U1000. Anything we can take. U1000. See here, profit center, we have taken ultra corporate profit center U9000. So here I'm taking U1000. And controlling area UCOA. Controlling area UCOA. So give your profit center here and controlling area UCOA.
Navin, profit center digits should be like any specific digits like 5 or 6.
It's not like that. We can have maximum of 10 digits.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, right now. U1000. Press enter. See here. So here we need to give 1/4/2021. Name I would like to give it as an Ultra Profit Center. This is corporate, right? Ultra Patancharu. Okay, here I'll select it as an it's a Patancharu, right? Person responsible. Anything we can take. For example, I'll take it as the same. So here we need to take department. I'll give it as an Hyderabad Patan department. Okay, here we need to select profit center group. So this is important. You remember structure subgroup. So where I would like to create. So Patancharu. So here this is subgroup. Profit center seats, profit center standard hierarchy. Under this is the subgroup, and I'm creating a profit center. So I'm selecting profit center. Okay. And here I need to select segment. So segment is cement segment. So every profit center will segment to profit center will connect to segment. STUV, right? Cement segment. Ultratech cement segment. Just write it down as it is. Write down as it is. Once you're done, let me know.
Navin, can you please show once the profit center standard hierarchy screen so that we will correlate under
Yeah,
which.
just now I shown you, right, before starting the session.
Yes, but we have selected the UT01 MP 100 here, right? So if
Till
we
now I
can,
have not activated, right? Once I activate, I'll show you that.
that is fine. Okay, it will activate. But under which, how it is coming, just we wanted to see if it is, if you are fine.
Is this end user activity, right?
What's your question?
So here you have created under the corporate.
Under
right?
this,
Under
this
UTA,
MP 100.
okay, under pattern zero. Okay.
Profit center standard hierarchy, UT01 subgroup, under subgroup MP 100, manufacturing plant 100. Under manufacturing plant 100, I have created a profit center.
Okay.
Here, that's the reason I have shown you also again. UT01, UT01,
Yes.
right? MP 100, MP 100. Once you're done, let me know. Is it done, everyone?
From my end done.
Sorry? Hello?
From my end, it is done, Navin.
Okay.
Yes, Navin, done.
Yeah, so click on company code. So see, corporate profit center, we are going to use for 3 company codes, but this is related to which company code?
UT01.
UT01. So we need to activate only for UT01 company code. So here it is showing UT01 and UT02. UU01 it is not showing because of server issue. So just deactivate UT02. Select only UT01. This profit center and segment should work for only UT01.
Sorry, why you have deactivated, Navin, here?
Sorry?
Why you have deactivated this?
Because I want to see profit center, that particular profit center, I want to use only for this particular company code, not for other company codes. If I select here, then that profit center will applicable for UT01 company code and as well as UT02 company code. But
Okay.
I want to use that profit center only for U1000. I want to use only for UT01 company code.
Okay, so you have selected anywhere to get into this page.
Sorry.
So
By
where
default, it will come. Whatever company we have done, right? Yeah, day before yesterday, the profit center standard hierarchy we have activated automatically. It will be activated for all company codes, whatever there. Controlling area you have done, right?
yes, I mean controlling area. Just I'm
Controlling area. What are the company codes you have selected?
Navin, he's asking how did we come to the screen? We are in the same screen, Raj, but
See,
from basic data, we have moved to
yeah,
company.
basic data. We have a company code.
Okay. Yeah, that is what. Thank you. Okay.
Is this clear?
Yes.
Next, now we need to click on activate button. See here, activate. Click on activate button. Profit center U1000 has been created. Okay, one more profit center we'll create. U110, U1100. Write down U1100. So here we can copy directly all the attributes. So I would like to create under UT01 only. So profit center, copy from which profit center? I want to copy from U1000. Copy from U1000, just write it down. So whatever attributes we have given for U1000, the same attributes will be copied to U1100 profit center. Okay. U1100 is a new profit center, and I want to copy attributes from U1000, and controlling area is UCOA. Okay, press enter. See, everything is showing as it is. So here I would like to change to Balnagar. Just I'm taking any vague names. So here we need to select UT01. We have a one more 1100. Same UT01, UT01, MP11, MP110. And segment is same. Okay, normally person responsible would be head of the plant. So the client will give this personal responsible. Just I'm giving any vague names, that's it. So any questions on this? So once you're done, let me know. See here. U11,000 profit center, Patan Charu. Is it done?
Yes, Naveen.
Yeah, click on company code. So it should be activate for which company code?
UT01.
UT01 only.
Yes.
UT01 only.
I mean, is this an end user activity, right? As we are creating in SAP
Yes.
HANA?
So, but initial, we will create a end user screen. Profit center creation.
Sorry?
The consultant will create initially all the profit centers and this thing. Under at end user screen. It's not end user activity. GL creation is an end user activity. Clear?
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Click on active button. Click on activate. Click on activate. So one more we will copy. 1200. U 1200. Controlling area UCOA. Press enter. Press enter. Okay, or you can copy it also. You can copy it also. Okay, I'll write here itself. Ultra Guntur Profit Center. This is Guntur. So under this, we have a three plants. So we are creating three profit centers. So this is also cement only. Write down as it is.
Naveen, in real time, we'll get information like this profit center belongs to so and so.
Yes,
plant.
everything we will get.
Yeah.
The information, whatever fields we are filling. So everything we will get from our project lead.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, Naveen.
These are the client will give the details to your project lead, and project lead will provide these complete details to you.
Okay, Naveen.
So click on company code. So which company code it need to be activated? For both the company codes or UT01?
UT01.
So deactivate UT02. Next, what is the next step? What is the next step we need to do?
Click on activate.
Click on activate. So if we are not activating, then the profit center will not be activated. Okay, so next one, Mumbai, right? Second one. So here, I'll go with the U2000. Okay, UCOA company code. UCOA company code. U2000 profit center. Press enter. 1/4/2021. HANA profit center. I'm given Profit center group, we need to select from here. Ultra Mumbai Thane Profit Center Group. Okay, segment is steel segment. So here we need to go to U. Ultratech steel segment. Write it up. Once you're done, let me know. Once you're done, please. So see it, still it is showing inactive. So go to company code. So which company code we need to active?
UT02.
UT02. So deactivate UT01. And next click on activate. Okay. So actually we need to create one more profit center U3000 for US. But here US company code is not active. So that's the reason once the server is rectified, then we will do that particular step again. Clear? So two company codes, we have created 4 different profit centers. U1000, U1100, U1200 and U2000. Right?
In this also we can create one more, right? Naveen?
Sorry, under that also we can give any number we can give, but I'm taking only one.
Okay.
There is no limit for that.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So next. Is this clear, everyone?
Yes.
So click on profit center. See here. This is the structure. U1000, U1000, U1100, U1200, U2000. Okay, 3000 we are supposed to create here, this particular company code. We will see that later. The profit center, see this is standard hierarchy. Under that group, subgroup, under this, the last node is ending with profit center here. And here again, you can see here, this is a standard hierarchy. Under that subgroup, under this is first level, second level, third level, fourth level. So fourth level is ending with profit center. You can see here profit center. Clear again, standard hierarchy. Here MP110, sorry, UT01 is a subgroup. Under subgroup, we have one more subgroup, that is MP110, Balnagar Profit Center Group. Under this group, we have created one profit center, that is U1100. So this is the last node, profit center node. So this is the structure. So here the same thing you can see here also. Here also you can see. Again, I'll go back.
Naveen, I have one question.
Please.
If we have created like incorrect profit center, so we want to do that or change that.
I'll show you that in the next step.
Okay.
Okay, so here, this is one group. So UT02 till UT02 we have created. UU01 we have a server issue, so we will do it later that. So till here, this is the structure. Any questions on the structure?
So Naveen, can you please do Alt Tab and go to that page, the hierarchy structure? Yeah. How did you come here? Just can you
Press
please show me?
enter. See, this is my profit center. So click here, search, and press enter.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Clear? The same thing, we have Ultratech Profit Center, Thane Profit Center. Here you can see Ultra Thane Profit Center. So we have how the structure will be there. See, as an end user, whenever you are taking a profit center while posting, clear how the profit center will be created. Profit center will be created under one particular head under profit center standard hierarchy. So to view the standard hierarchy, KCH5N is the transaction code. Clear? And to create the profit center, KE51. So these two transaction code, kindly remember that. Clear? Any questions on this? Yes, no. Profit center, standard hierarchy creation, profit center creation. Any questions?
Like in real time, who will be this person responsible? Like
I didn't get you. Creation, who will be the responsible or responsible person you are asking?
responsible person.
Responsible person, normally the plant head. The creation will be done by consultant only initially. In future, after implementation, if any change they want to do, then the end user, the responsible person, this particular person, the plant head will change this. We will give the training to the plant head and he will change accordingly. But initial profit center, standard hierarchy and everything, we will create it.
Okay. Now.
Clear? But in future, anything, if they want to change or something happen, means till implementation and support, we will be there. But after 1 year or 2 years, something they want to change in the profit center level, and whoever responsible person, normally the responsible person would be a plant head or that particular profit center head. Then that person will do the changes.
Okay. Now.
He will that only person will have the access. So here I've mentioned as a Narendra Modi, something like that, right? So here that responsible person name will be mentioned. Clear?
Okay. Now.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
So next, write down change. The question, whatever you asked, change profit center. Okay, write down. Path same as above. Path same as above. Till individual processing. Till individual processing. Transaction code KE52. KE52. Transaction code KE52. Okay. So here. I'm going with the KE52 change. So whatever profit center we want to change, just give the profit center here. Whatever things you consider that you made a mistake or something you want to change, then in KE52, give you a profit center, press enter. For example, the person responsible here, I'm changing to Bal Thackeray to Raj Thackeray.
But how can we change the profit center now?
We can first we need to delete, then after that we need to create.
Okay.
Understood? We can't edit the profit center here. What we can do, we can first delete this profit center. I'll show you that also, how to delete a profit center. And after that, again, we need to recreate it.
Yeah.
New one. Only the information we can change it.
Okay, like editing.
Yeah. Okay, so here I have changed it to from Bal Thackeray to Raj Thackeray. So click on save. So once I save it, it will go to deactivate status. So you can see it inactive status. Again, we need, if something we change, whatever change we do, that will go to inactive state. then next we need to activate it. It must be activated. Clear? Whatever change we made, that will be first. Whenever we save it, then it will be deactivated, and after that we need to activate it. So profit center has been changed. Clear this? So Raj Thakre. See, analysis period. Okay, any questions on this?
No.
Next one, write down display changes. So whatever changes we have made, that we want to see in the profit center. Write down display changes. Display changes. Path, same as above. Path, same as above. Till individual processing. Path, same as above till individual processing. From there, select display changes. Transaction code 6KEA, 6KEA, 6KEA. See here, display changes. Path same as above till individual processing. From there, select display changes. From there, select display changes. Transaction code 6KEA. Okay, profit center. Profit center U2000. We have made a changes in that only, right? So give the profit center. Give the profit center, which you want to check the changes. Which you want to check this changes. Click on all changes button. So after press enter, it will show you change profit center. CO area is UCAA, profit center use 2000, and click on all changes here. So here it will show list of field changed is person responsible for profit center. So we have changed the person responsible. So click on all changes. See here it is showing person responsible 1/4/2021 to 31/12/1999. Right? We have changed on so and so date. What was the thing we have changed? New value is Raj Thakre, old value is Bal Thakre. Clear?
Kevin, can you please go back into 1 second?
Sorry?
Can you please go back to the next step? After all changes,
Click on all changes. That's it. Not after all changes. Click on all changes. This screen will be get displayed.
okay. No need to do anything.
Nothing. Just click on all changes. So whatever changes we have made, that it will show. New value is nothing but changed value, and what was the old value, and when we have changed it. Clear? So whatever changes we are going to small change, everything will be get recorded in this. Clear? Everything will be recorded. See here, every change will be recorded. Double click. Clear?
So only maybe whatever the changes we have done, only that will show, I think. So we
Sorry,
have, so whatever the changes we have made the changes to the person responsible, only that will display, I think, not the complete profit center.
why complete? Whatever changes you want to see, right? Only the change you have done, that particular thing, right?
That one only will show.
Of course, that is the only thing it will show. See here, it will show date, on which date you have changed, field name, person responsible, valid from 1/4/21 to this one, language key, changed by whom, user ID, time at what time we have changed, and what was the new value and what was the old value.
Okay.
So how to see that? Select this and click on details button. Click on details button. So it will show you the complete list. What are the things we have changed? Raj, what's your question? I didn't get you. Because it will show only the thing. What is the transaction name?
Got
What
it.
is the
Display
transaction name?
6K EA.
No, I'm not asking transaction code. Transaction name.
Display changes.
What we are requesting from the system?
I got it. Naveen.
That's what. Clear, everyone? If you want to see in depth, so here it is showing date, field name, but here who has changed it is not showing. If you want to see that the person who has changed this, then you need to select the line and click on details tab. So here it will show at what time we have changed and who has the person changed. The user ID it will show. Clear, everyone? Okay. Old value and new value. Okay. The change was done at 5:11, time at 11:19. Okay. Any questions? Next one, write down delete profit center. I'm not going to delete any profit center, but still I'll show you. Delete profit center. Path, write down delete profit center. Path, same as above. Till individual processing. Till individual processing. Till individual processing. Select delete. Transaction code KE54. Transaction code KE54. Okay, double click on this. Okay, whatever profit center you want to delete, select this, select the profit center. Select the profit center. Okay. 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 Then click on mark for deletion. Select mark for deletion. So if I select mark for deletion, so click on mark for deletion. Okay. So we can't use, once we activate this, so we can't use this particular profit center for any company code. So click on activate. Then it will show you a message. Then it will show you a message. Okay. Okay. So it will show you, do you really want to delete the profit center? Okay. First, I'll show you how to delete. So click on yes button. it will show you on the bottom, the profit center has been deleted. The profit center has been deleted. Now you can see here. So we have created profit center. So here it has 2000 has been deleted profit center. Under this, you can see there is no profit center. So here we have 9000 is there, 1000 is there, 1100 is there, 1200, but there is no 2000. So what I'll do, I'll create again. 2000 is for Mumbai. So go back, create it, view 2000. Thane profit center.
So after deleting, we can use the same profit center, right?
Exactly. You can use the same, you can make the changes, or you can give the another profit center. It's again depends
Okay.
as per your requirement.
Yeah.
Here I'm using the same.
Which is, I thought we can't use the same.
Sorry.
I thought we can't use the same.
No, we can. We can.
Oh.
Okay. Next, click on company codes. Profit center group. I'll come back. It's showing a lot. Profit center group. Okay.
Ravi, I have one general question. Can I ask?
Please, please.
This is not related to this, but the segment in your earlier classes, you said the segment is nothing but the branches, right?
Correct.
So what is the meaning of the profit segment then?
Sorry,
Profit segment. What does it mean, profit segment?
I didn't get you. The same,
No,
right? Segment is nothing but see,
branches.
you will create branches as per area wise and product wise.
Product with yes.
So here profit center is nothing but we are doing
No, profit center, not
product
profit
wise.
segment. Segment.
Sorry.
Profit segment.
Yes. It's the same. If either you can have either normal segment or a profit segment, it's one and the same.
Both are same, right?
Yes, yes.
So I got confused. Difference between do you have any
No,
difference
nothing.
of
It's the
segment
same.
and profit segment?
So click on activate. So now you can see. See here, 2000 has been created. Any questions now?
Yeah, Navin, under the profit center. Okay, so if someone want us to change the dates, that will not be possible, right? Some of the fields are not possible to do the modifications.
You need to delete and you need to create it. Again, that's it.
If
Means
that is
what
the,
dates you want to change?
like a 2021 date.
You can change that. You can change that. You can change that. Sorry, it's not changing. This one, analysis period.
Yes.
You can change. You can by selecting here. You can change it.
Okay. Any other fields that we can't change as per the modification? If
Profit center you can't change.
Yes, that is okay. Any other things like validity period?
Everything we can change except profit center and controlling area. Validity also you can change it. Clear?
Okay, yeah, fine.
Any other questions? So we have seen profit center standard hierarchy. We have created subgroups, groups and subgroups. We have created profit center. We saw how to change a profit center, and we saw how to display the changed details. And we have seen, right? And we have seen how to delete a profit center and how to recreate the profit center. Any questions still here? Yes, no.
No, Naveen, from my side.
So this is about your last week we discussed configuration master data and transactional master data. So configurational master data initial level only we have created, and transactional master data, there are two transactional master datas. One is profit center, another one is GL master. Profit center standard hierarchy we have already saw, right? Now we will see the GL master. So here nothing but we are going to enter into a submodule called GL master.
Naveen, it is a module, right? One of the module, right?
Submodule of FI.
Submodule of FI. Like APAR, this is also one of the module.
Sorry.
Like AP and AR, this is also one of the submodule of FI.
Yes, AP, GL, AR. Module
All
is
the
nothing but
submodules.
your FI, CO, MM. These are the major modules. Under
Okay.
FI, this is the GL master. GL is submodule. Okay.
No, sorry, no, your voice is breaking, not able. FI,
Sorry.
your voice is cutting, breaking, not able to hear
For
properly.
everybody, it is the same problem.
No, Naveen.
Right down. GL masters we can create in 3 areas. Right down. 3 areas we can create. GL master in chart of accounts area. GL master in chart of accounts area. Okay. So under chart of accounts. So in chart of accounts area, this is the first one. So under chart, we need to mention here GL account, GL account number. We need to mention chart of accounts. Okay, next one, we have one more tab called general data. I'll show you that, but just write it down, try to understand. In there are the GL masters can be created in 3 different ways. One is in GL master under chart of accounts area. First, we will discuss about chart of accounts area. Whenever we go to chart of accounts area, we need to give mandatory GL account number. How we will give that, I'll show you. Under that, we need to give chart of accounts. What is our chart of accounts? UCA, ultra operational chart of accounts. And we have one tab called general data. So under general data, we need to give account groups. So already, right, we have already created account group, right? Reserves and surplus, current assets, current liabilities. So here, whatever GL account we are creating, we need to select comes under which account group it is. Is it comes under what we call cash account? Is it comes under current asset, or it comes under current liability? Is it comes under reserves and surplus? So here we will give GL account number, right? And which GL we want to create. Is it a current liability or long-term liability, or whatever account groups we have created? From that particular range, we will take one GL account number. And under that, we are going to select account group, right? Which account group? Is it current asset or a current liability or cash account or what? And the most important thing is account type. Account type is nothing but, is it related to balance sheet account? balance sheet account or P&L account, profit and loss account, only two. See, the selection is very important here. Accounting plays a vital role here. So whatever account, GL account we have created and whatever account group we have selected, okay. And if we are not selecting correct account type, means for example, you have created one asset, and that need to select either under current asset or a fixed asset, whatever account group you have created. Okay. And instead of balance sheet, you are selecting P&L account, or you have created some income or expenses revenue item and you have selected one account group and you have selected account type as incorrect, then whatever reports you are going to generate in future, those reports will not be accurate. That will come in, that will be inaccurate. So that's the reason the accounting, the basic accounting concept plays a vital role here. So we should have a knowledge on that, which account comes under, whether it comes under a profit and loss account or it comes under a balance sheet, whether it's an asset, what kind of asset it is, what kind of liability it is, what kind of expense is that, what kind of revenue is that. That we need to have a complete knowledge. Clear? For example, I'm creating salaries account. Salaries comes under which account? Balance sheet or a P&L account? Which account type?
P&L.
P&L. But wrongly I have selected it doesn't, because I don't have a knowledge on this one accounting knowledge, but I am having SAP knowledge, configuration and everything, and I've selected balance sheet. So do I get an accurate report?
No.
Where does it will get impacted? If I have given my salaries as a balance sheet item, then where does it affects? In which report it will be get affected?
P&L.
Sorry,
Balance sheet report.
a bit louder,
While
please.
while preparing the trial balance and everything, it
Huh?
will get. While preparing the trial balance, it will get impacted.
Trial balance of
Profit and loss account.
Profit and loss account. It
Profit
will
and
not
loss
show the
account.
accurate figures.
Sorry,
It will not show the accurate figures. Instead of giving balance P&L account, we are selecting the balance sheet. Right? It will not show the accurate figure.
see, in my P&L account, it will show the expenditure is incorrect.
Yes.
Right? Means it will not show my net profit correctly.
Correct.
Figures in the sense net profit or net loss, it will show incorrect. And same time the balance sheet, it will take, if salaries I have taken it as a liability. Already I have paid, but still I am showing it as a salaries payable. So my liabilities are increasing. Clear? My income statement, it will show incorrect, and my position statement also, it will show incorrect. Clear? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
So this is very important. So whenever we are creating a GL account and account group, it should be, make sure that it account of whatever account of you are selecting, that should be correct. So when we are selecting profit and loss account, if you are creating a GL account related to P&L account, okay, then it will ask for functional area. Only for P&L account, not for balance sheet items. I can write here, only for P&L account. Okay. So whenever we select P&L account as an or account type, then it will ask for functional area. If you select balance sheet, then it will not ask for functional area. Okay. And again, we have short text. We need to give short text. So short text maximum 20 characters. Next one, short text. Next one, we have one more tab, one more column, long text. So we can give maximum of 50 characters. Long text is group GL account. So we already discussed, right? Chart of accounts part, operational chart of accounts, group chart of accounts. Clear? So when it is required group GL account, whenever we are doing our group chart of accounts, then only it need to be selected. Otherwise, it's not required. We can ignore this because we are going to create only operational chart of accounts. Hope everybody remember, right? Group chart of account when we will select. Next one. So you can say that it's an optional. It's optional. This is about your chart of account area. GL master chart.
So Naveen, under the GL master chart of accounts, two things will come, GL accounts and chart of accounts. Under chart of accounts, these
Are the things we need to mention in chart of account area. Whenever you'll go for chart of account area, these are the details it will ask. GL account number, chart of accounts, which chart of accounts. See GL account number, for example, I'm selecting 1 lakh. Right? Which chart of account? What is our chart of account number?
UOCA.
UOCA. So there is a tab called, under this we have a 2 tabs. One is general data. Sorry, only one tab will be there, general data. Under that it will ask for account group. Which account group it is? It is a current liability, for example. And account type. What is our account type? Is it related to balance sheet account or a profit and loss account? So whenever we select it as a profit and loss account, functional area will be get triggered. If you are selecting it as a balance sheet, functional area will not be triggered. Next one, it will ask for short text and long text. Okay, short text we can give maximum of 20 characters and long text we can have 50 characters. And group GL account, whenever we are doing a group GL account, then only we need to give. But here we are not going to give any group chart of accounts. So that's the reason we are selecting it. We are not going to do anything with the group chart of accounts, group GL accounts. Clear?
Yes, no, yes.
So now we can go with second one. So this is company code area. This is chart. First one is chart of account area, and this is company code area. So we can create GL masters in 3 levels, I said. Company code area. Company code area. This transaction code would be FSP0. This is T code. FSP0. Okay, and this transaction code is FSS0. So when we are creating in company code area, so here GL account number, GL account number. Next one, company code. Okay, company code is required. GL account number is required. Company code is required. And there would be one tab like general data tab. We have one tab called create bank interest. Okay. So under that, this is very important, account currency. See, by default, it will take account currency. How it will take? Whatever company code here we are going to mention and press enter. So according to that company code currency, it will take it as an account currency. Clear? So for example, my company code is okay. What is UT01 company code currency?
INR.
INR. So it will take INR. Okay. For example, the most important thing, interview point, just remember, or you just want to write it down. Your company code currency and your account currency should be the same. Then you can use this particular GL account number for not only for INR currency, you can use for any other currency. Means you are receiving invoice. Apart from INR, you are receiving invoice in USD or Canadian dollar or Australian dollar or Singapore dollar or any other currency. You can use this GL account number. For example, I am using 1 lakh GL account number and my company code is UT01 and I am taking my account currency as an INR. Okay, then what we can, this particular account number, GL account number can be used for any other currencies apart from your company code currency or your local currency. Clear? Yes, no?
No, Naveen, can you repeat that?
Yeah. See, for example, I'll tell you. 1 second. See here. This is account. I'm taking account number as in 1 lakh. This is. See here, my GL account number is 1 lakh. So capital account, for example. So I'm using this account, or if I take it as an, for example, 4,000. 4 lakhs. This is my salaries account. This is my salaries account and company code is UT01. And what is my company code currency here? What is my company code currency?
INR.
INR.
INR. And what is account currency I'm taking?
INR.
INR. So if company code currency and account currency, that is nothing but your local currency and your account currency is one and the same, then we can post the document, we can post the invoice in local currency and as well as in foreign currency. When it is possible, whenever the company code currency and account currency is same, then only we can post the invoice in local currency and as well as in foreign currency. Clear? If it is different, for example, okay, account currency as in USD, company code as INR. Okay, so here, see what is happening here. Company code currency is an INR and account currency is, which currency it is showing account currency?
USD.
USD. Both are the same?
No.
No. So whenever at the time of posting, whenever we are using this particular GL account and we received an invoice in INR, we received in, suppose we have received invoice either apart from USD. Okay, apart from USD, we can't use this GL account for any other currencies. We can post only in USD currency. For example, if it is account currency is CAD, you mentioned, and your company code currency is INR, right? So you can't post in local currency nor in foreign currencies. Only this GL account can be used only for this particular currency, CAD currency only. Is this clear? So the interview point of question, if your company code currency and your account currency are different, then what would be the outcomes? So we cannot post the invoice other than account currency. Whatever account currency is mentioned, only that currency we can take it. It will not accept any other currencies. Then what happens if your company code currency and account currency is same? Then we can post the invoice in local currency and as well as any other foreign currencies also. It's not restricted. Clear, everyone?
Yes, Naveen,
Yes.
and this concept is clear, but in which cases we will take the currency as different?
Normally we
like
won't,
company code?
that's what I said. Normally we won't take this. Account currency is different from the company code currency. So for example, one vendor invoice, you are entering into one particular vendor invoice, that has to be, the invoice has to, as per your vendor agreement, the vendor agreement, clear. You have entered into an agreement that he will send in currency as in USD, but your company code currency is in INR. Okay. And you have to receive, you need to post the invoice only in USD, not in any other currencies. If the agreement is there, that particular point of time, we will change the account currency to that particular currency only for specific vendors or specific customers or specific GL accounts. Clear? But 99.9% we won't change this, because see, whatever currency we are receiving from vendor, so as it is a company code currency and local account currency is one and the same. So if you are receiving in USD, you can post it. You are receiving in Australian dollar, you can post it. So that's the reason 99.9% companies will see that company code currency and account currency will be one and the same. Because we can post as per the local currency, we can post the invoice as per the foreign currency. Clear? Any questions? Yes, no.
Yes,
Or else you
clear.
can write down a note.
Clear.
Or else write down a note, NOT note. Write down a note. Write down a note here. If we maintain account currency as account currency same as company code currency, if we maintain account currency same as company code currency, system allows the transactions in local currency and as well as foreign currency, as well as foreign currencies. Foreign currencies. Local currency and as well as foreign currencies. Okay. Full stop. If we maintain account currency, other than company code currency, system allows the transaction in transactions in account currency only. System allows the transactions in account currency only. Any questions here till here? Before I proceed, please let me know.
No,
Sorry,
no, fine.
clear, right? Fine. Next point is next option would be only balance in local currency. Only balance in local currency. Only balance in local currency. So what exactly the only balance in local currency in the sense? See, so we may post the entries in local currency and as well as in foreign currencies. So the ledger, the particular ledger or particular report, we want to see only in local currency. Okay, suppose we have created a salary account. Company code currency is INR, account currency is an INR. And we are doing payments in USD currency, we are doing payments in Australian dollar, or we are doing in Canadian dollar. Okay, other currencies we are doing it. But the salary ledger we want to see only in INR. Okay, if we want to see, then we can keep this checkbox only balance in local currency. We need to select see, I'll show you that FS00, I'll show you directly. What are the tabs I'm showing? See here. As I said that GL account. See here, type description, account group, right? Create bank interest. Sorry, control data. Account currency, USD, I have selected. Right, what is my company code here? UU01. So company code currency is
USD.
USD. And what is my account currency?
USD.
So what does it indicate?
We can create and post the transactions in multiple currencies.
It accepts transactions in local currency and as well as foreign currency.
Foreign currency.
And here I'm selecting only balance in local currency. So what does it mean? So I may post the entries in USD or I may post any other currencies also. But whenever I want to see this ledger account, zero balance ledger account or salaries account or some account, whatever account I'm going to see. So if I want to see as per my local currency report, then I need to select this checkbox. Clear?
Yes.
Again, we will discuss again. So most of the GL accounts, write down. See, most of the GL accounts, we will select only balance in local currency, except cash and bank accounts. Except cash and bank accounts, maximum accounts, we will select only balance in local currency. Just write it down. If we select this checkbox, if we select the checkbox, if we select this checkbox, the ledger balance, it will show in local currency. The ledger balance, it will show in local currency. Okay. Clear? Next one is tax category. So this is required. to calculate taxes. So we have a separate module for taxes. So means we are going to do in-depth discussions on taxes, different countries' taxes. So at that particular time, we are going to discuss this taxes part. GST we have, US taxation we have. So that we will see this. Next one. Posting without tax. Clear? So these all the things, tax related tax things, we have a separate taxation module. Means in the same, we are going to do additional these things also, GST and everything. Okay, here normally we will give it as a star mark. So see, if we activate this, then this will be activated. If we won't select this, then it won't select, it won't. Okay, but we are going to discuss in future when we have a tax module. Initially, we won't discuss, but once we start up with the tax. Next one. Reconciliation. Reconciliation account. So this is for vendor reconciliation, customer reconciliation, customers, assets. Next one, contract accounts. And contract accounts is not required for us because it's not our module. So we have separate module for FICA, finance for contract accounts. So we are not going to discuss this, but still I'm showing reconciliation account will be there for contract accounts also. So this is not our FICO module. We have a separate module, FICA module, FICA module, right? That is related to completely contract accounts. Okay, and this is for AP module, vendors, customers are for AR module, and assets for asset accounting module. And this one, contract accounts, this is separate module, not in FICO. Okay, next one we have, next tab we have open item management. This is very important. 101% guaranteed question, interview question. Open item management. Write down this still here. Okay, the open item management is required only for balance sheet items. Balance sheet items or balance sheet accounts. You can write it as an instead of items. And that too related to only outstanding items. This is applicable only for balance sheet accounts, only for payables items. Outstanding, I can write it as an for outstanding items. Right? Salaries payables. Or you can write it as an outstanding items and prepaid items. Okay, salaries payable, prepaid insurance, The expenses which are still to be paid are paid in advance. So for those items, we will select this open item management, and other items we won't select it. Understood this? Interest payable, commission payable, tax payable. Clear? Yes, no, open item management.
Yes, sir.
Next one. Line item display. Line item display. So this option we will select for almost all. This option we will select for all the ledger accounts almost. Okay. All right, and if you want, we will select for all the ledger accounts. Line it. This is for drill down of any GL account. Say, for example, you are viewing your balance sheet. For example, it is showing a trade payables, nothing but your sundry creditor. If you double click on that, it will take you to before step. If you double click on that, it will take to before step. So if you are keep on double clicking on that, it will take to your root entry. So from where we have started that particular entry, and in the balance sheet where it is showing, that is called line item wise. Means first you are reviewing any particular report, trial balance report. So you are viewing about, for example, XYZ, your trade payables, nothing but your creditor. So how many transactions it is showing? 20,000. Total amount trade payables XYZ is 20,000. But is it for one transaction or is it for 10 transactions? If you want to view, then if you double click on that, then it will go to your before step. And if you double click on that, it will show you the entries which are related to that XYZ ledger account. Clear? For drill, it is nothing but drill down purpose. Line item display is nothing but it will take you to the root entry, root where it started. Clear? So that's the reason we will select for all the ledgers. Whatever ledgers are there, for all the ledgers, we will select this. Clear? Check balance sheet to trial balance, balance sheet to balance sheet to trial balance to ledger group. Like that, ledger to entry. Origin level it will take. Clear, everyone?
Yeah.
So in other words, I can tell you that drill down to origin of entry, origin of the entry. Any questions on this?
No.
Clear
No.
this?
Yeah.
Okay. So if this option is not selected, then if you are looking at any balance sheet item, you can't see from where it came. If you double click also, it will not show you. So that's the reason we need to select this particular option compulsory. Next one, sort key. See, normally sort key. Okay. Sort key is nothing but 001 is nothing but posting date. So for example, if you go to, see, if you go to any ledger, so if you go to any ledger, it will have a number of columns, different columns. Ledger number, okay, right? Posting date, document date, amount. Clear? Number of columns will be there. How you want to see the entries? So through how you want to sort. So here normally we will go with the posting date. Because SAP system date, it will take it as in posting date. We can't manipulate posting date. Okay, it will show if you're sorting out, the oldest item will be shown first and the latest item will be shown in the last. So we have number of sort keys will be there. Normally, most of them we will select posting date only. normally. But however, the client requirement, they can select any sort key, either document date or any other thing, they can select it. But normally we will select 001 posting date. So how the ledger report want to be displayed, right? Any questions on this? Okay, 001 posting date, 002 document date. Oh, sorry, this is control data. It's not a create bank interest. I'm sorry. I just company code. One second. This is heading is wrong. This is control data. Beside control data, we will have create bank interest tab. So all the details we will create in control data. See here, you can see control data and create bank interest. So see here. Okay. So here we have one more option. So one more tab we have create bank interest. So under that, we will have one option called post automatically only.
This is the third one, right?
What third one?
Create bank interest. Create bank interest.
Second tab.
So do you have a T code for this? Create bank
Why T code? In the same T code we are going to work, right?
in the same T code. You highlighted it. That's the reason I asked.
No. This is the tab. See, in this particular transaction code, we have, see, in FSS 0, we have a GL account number, company code. Here, this is one thing. Control tab will be there. And other tab is create bank account. Create bank or interest tab. Clear?
Okay.
Yes or no?
Okay, Navin.
Right. Post automatically only. What is the zero balance ledger account we have created? Why we have created zero balance ledger account?
If debit and credit are not equal.
Right. Whenever the debit and credit at business area level or at profit center level or at segment level, if it is not required, then automatically what has to be triggered?
Zero balance clearing.
So at that particular ledgers, we will select post automatically only option.
To trigger that account.
Yes.
If you not click this post automatically, that
Then
zero
it won't accept.
Okay. This is
Okay.
especially for zero balance clearing account.
Not, we have few more accounts that I'll tell you, but initially we have seen that ledger only, right?
Yes.
That's the reason I have shown that ledger. If you want to select post automatically, so those kind of ledgers has to be there.
Yeah, got it.
Okay. Okay. If we, whenever we create that GL account, that zero balance ledger account, if we select post automatically, that particular ledger accounts will automatically trigger when debit is not equals to credits.
Yes, now I got it.
Next one. relevant to cash flow. Write down this check, write down this one, relevant to cash flow. Under that, write down a note. This checkbox is required only for cash and bank ledger accounts. Only for cash and bank ledger accounts. Only for cash and bank ledger accounts. Okay. So when we are going to select this checkbox, if the ledger we are creating for cash account or a bank account, this is relevant to cash flow. Right? Why we want to see what is my cash inflow, what is my cash outflow, what is my bank inflow, and how much we are. All right. What is the source of my funds and what is the application of the funds? Clear? Bank incoming and bank outgoing, cash incoming and cash outgoing. Source and applications we can view. House bank details. This comes only. Okay. Okay, house bank details. So this, whenever we are going to do create a bank account, clear? At that particular point of time, we will activate this. Right. So when we are going to do the BRS part, then definitely I'll explain what is house bank. So here we need to maintain house bank account ID. And this we are going to see when we do our banking module. Next one. Interest indicator. So here, this is for one particular GL account, whatever interest need to be calculated. So this is, see here, GL masters. So we can create in FSP0, I'll tell you. See here, FSP0 as I said, the type description, GL account, chart of accounts. So if you are creating any GL account in FSP0, then we will create GL account number, chart of accounts, and account group, which account group you want to create the GL account, and what is the, is it related to account type? This is it to P&L account or balance sheet? So whenever if we select P&L account, functional area will be activated here. If we select balance sheet, then the functional area will not be activated. Short text and long text. Clear? So this is, and when you go to FSS0, I want to compare FSS0. See here, FSS0 is nothing but it will have a control data, create bank interest, whatever we discussed, and information. It's only a language and all, creation date and everything it will show. So, and one more thing, we have FS00 /O FS00. What is FS00? It is a combination of your FSP0 and FSS0. So both the screens will be there in one screen, that is in FS00. If you want to create GL account only at chart of accounts level, then FSP0 will be there. And if you want to create chart of accounts only at company code level, GL account at company code level, then we will have FSS0. But you want to create both chart of account level and company code level, then we need to use FS00. Clear? So most of the questions you are going to get in GL Masters only. Any questions in this? So you need to remember profit. Okay.
So Naveen, we are going to do FS00.
FS00 centrally. That is called centrally. I'll show you that. Centrally. I'll show you in all the three categories: creation, FS00. So in FS00 centrally. So this is combination of both.
This is the
So-
third area, right, Naveen?
Sorry?
This is central is third area, right? First one is GL
Third area.
master, with
Yes.
chart of accounts and company code in centrally.
Yeah. GL account, number, company code, general data we have. So FSP0, control data, FSS0. Sorry. Create bank interest. Right? This is FSP0 transaction code. And these two are from FSS0. Clear? Any questions on this?
No, Naveen.
It's clear, right?
Yes.
This is to create GL. We have created zero balance through here only.
Only one ledger we have created without any knowledge of GL creation. We have created it, right?
Yes, yes. And Naveen, I have like one question. Can
Sorry?
you show that I was getting some error?
While creating ledger,
Yeah, I was not able to select that current liabilities balance sheet.
can you share the screen?
No, I can't, Naveen. I'm
Because if you share, then only I can help you out in this. Because where is the mistake, we can able to see at the time of creation. Means whether you are selecting the correct tab or not or something. So tomorrow what I'll do is I'll create the ledgers, right?
Yeah, yes. Naveen.
So you can see how we are going to create the ledger. In the same way, you will create the zero balance ledger also.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes,
So
Naveen.
till here, anyone have a questions? So tomorrow we are going to create GL masters, right? So, so till here, any questions? So we are profit center. That is nothing but, as I said, that master data will be two types. One is configurational master data. That initial level we have done the configuration master data, transaction master data. So whenever transaction master data we are mentioning, that is nothing but in end user screen, right? Configuration will be done in SPRO. So this is initially these things also we will create standard one as a consultant we will create and we will give it to the end users. Right? In GL also few accounts we will create and we will train them how to create and everything. And after that they will do it. Clear everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So we'll continue tomorrow how to create a GL and we will see tomorrow session.
Okay.
Is that fine?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you all. Just go through once again. I'll share the recordings now. Just go through once again the complete things so that tomorrow, as we are going to start with our means, we have already started the GL module, but I'll give you still little theory introduction, what do you mean by GL and everything. And next we can go ahead tomorrow, GL creation part.
Naveen, tomorrow we're going to create the GL accounts, right? Whatever
Yes.
whatever the account groups we have created, for that we are going to create the GLs, right?
Correct.
Like for the reserves and suppliers asset account, asset and all
Everything as per our requirement, we have created, right? Different assets, different liabilities, account groups, different expense account groups, different income revenue account groups.
But in when we are going to go live real-time scenario, this will be given by the client, right? What GL we need to use for reserves and surplus, all those, or we need
See
to
the range they will give, and they will create this GL accounts. As I said, that this is end user activity. I said, right?
okay.
They will create. They won't. We won't do that as a concern. Hardly basic GLs we will create and we will give it to them. And after that, whoever is responsible person, he will create all the GL accounts.
Okay.
Account groups, we will do it. Chart of accounts and account groups, we, as a consultant, we will do it. But GL accounts will be created by the end user only.
End user from GL. team,
Okay.
right?
It depends on client to client, right? Maybe he don't have the segregation like AP, AR, GL. So every one person is taking care of everything. They don't have like as MNC is having AP, AR, GL, right? Asset accounting, right? In my company, for example, if one person, 10 finance people are there, only those finance people are taking end-to-end activities. See, companies to company, it's different. Again, I'm telling you, end user level. Few companies, they will do all the activities. They will post the entries, right? They will do the payment process, clear, vendor master creations, right? And few companies only, they are dedicated only for invoice processing. They won't do any, apart from invoice processing, they won't do any payment activity, vendor master creation, they won't do anything like that. But few companies, they will do few transactions. So in few companies, they will do the purchase order creation. And after that, the invoice processing means segregation of duties will be there. This thing. GL will
Naveen,
be
I have
created.
one more question.
Yes.
So when we go into real-time scenarios as a functional consultant, we may get the supporting for only for GL and AP and AP.
What do you
and
mean by
AR.
supporting?
Like I joined as a support consultant. Okay, if I can support, then I will be getting only the queries for AP and AR.
Why? Who said that?
It's not like this.
It's not like that. You can get anything. You can get
But because
queries.
I'm more familiar with this AP, AR and GL modules.
Not like that. If somebody is guiding you like that, then it's incorrect. Whatever FI is there, complete FI, you will get it.
You will get it. Okay.
Clear, not AP, AR or something else.
Okay.
You will get queries. They may face issues. So is there any rule that they may face only issues in AP and
No,
AR?
I thought there is a separate agent. Will be there.
No, nothing like that.
End to end. Yeah.
End to end, you need to have a knowledge, right?
Okay.
Or else we can make it as an, if it is like that,
Then
then we can
everyone
make
will
only
learn
FI, AP
module.
and AR module only.
Yes, correct. Just I got it out. That's the reason.
No. You may get any sort of query, any sort of issue in FI, complete FI.
Okay. Okay, Naveen.
Yeah, thanks. Any other questions before I wind up? If no, then I'll close it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you all. Thanks for your time. Tomorrow at 10:30.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you once again. Thank you all.